What if I told you that you can experience the best of Baku, its stunning skyline, ancient history, mouth-watering food, and even crazy natural wonders, all for under $50? Sounds impossible, right? Well, think again. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to explore Baku like a VIP on a budget without missing out on anything epic. And trust me, the last experience on this list is so mind-blowing, it feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. Stick around till the end, you won't believe what you can do here for just a few dollars. Let's start with something completely free, wandering through Baku's old city. This UNESCO-listed treasure is the heart and soul of Baku, filled with medieval streets, ancient mosques, and breathtaking landmarks. You can stroll through its charming alleys, admire the stone-built houses, and feel like you've stepped back in time without spending a single dollar. But if you're willing to spend just a little, you can step into the Palace of the Shirvanshahs, a 15th century royal complex that costs only $5 to enter. This place is a masterpiece of Azerbaijani architecture and offers a fascinating glimpse into the country's royal past. And of course, you can't miss the Maiden Tower, one of Baku's most iconic landmarks. For around $10, you can climb to the top and get a panoramic view of the entire city. The best time to visit? Sunset. Watching the sky turn golden over the old city from the top of the tower, worth every penny. Now, let's talk about Baku Boulevard, a stunning waterfront promenade along the Caspian Sea, completely free to explore. You can take a scenic walk, enjoy the fresh sea breeze, or rent a bike for just a couple of dollars. But the real highlight? A boat ride on the Caspian Sea for only $5. You get an incredible view of Baku's skyline, and if you time it right, you'll see the city lights reflecting off the water. It's magical, and right next to the boulevard, you'll find the Baku Ferris wheel. For just $6, you can get a bird's-eye view of the city that's absolutely breathtaking. But what about food? Can you eat well in Baku on a budget? Absolutely. Head to a local eatery and order plov, Azerbaijan's signature saffron-infused rice dish with tender meat, for just $5. Pair it with freshly baked tandir bread and a cup of aromatic Azerbaijani tea, and you've got a meal fit for a king at an insanely low price. Want something even cheaper? Try a kutab, a crispy stuffed pancake filled with meat, cheese, or herbs, costing less than $2, delicious, filling, and budget-friendly. For those who love art and architecture, a visit to the Heydar Aliyev Center is a must. This futuristic, wave-like building is one of the most stunning landmarks in the world. The entrance fee for exhibitions is around $10, but even if you don't go inside, just admiring the building from the outside is an experience on its own. But if you're looking for something truly unique, let's take a budget-friendly day trip to Gobustan National Park. A local bus or shared taxi will get you there for just a few dollars. And for $6, you can explore prehistoric rock carvings and bubbling mud volcanoes, one of the rarest natural wonders in the world. Imagine standing in front of thousands of years old cave paintings while mud volcanoes bubble around you. Crazy, right? And finally, here's the most insane experience you can have in Baku for almost nothing: Yanar Dag, the burning mountain. This place is like something out of a fantasy movie. A natural fire has been burning non-stop for centuries due to underground gas reserves. Getting there will cost around $5 by taxi, and the entrance fee is just $2. Seeing flames rising straight from the ground is something you won't find anywhere else in the world. See? You don't need to be rich to experience the best of Baku. Whether you're exploring the old city, enjoying delicious food, or witnessing natural wonders, $50 goes a long way here. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more budget-friendly travel tips. See you in the next adventure.